In Paris as a precaution today after suffering from an infection, but is doing well, according to members from his entourage. Now, title-chasing Manchester City can go to the top of the Premier League tonight with a victory over Cardiff City. Pep Guardiola's side are on the hunt for 4 trophies this season, but former City striker Sean Goater...
Years at a time, and that was so hard, and I had to fork out for certain documents like my medical, and had to get letters of people that knew me from being little up to present day.
You had to put in a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of effort, but also, Greta, it must have affected you psychologically. What were you thinking at this point?
My children couldn't get a passport if I didn't have one. So if they deported me back to Jamaica, I wouldn't have seen them. Right, wait a minute. So it kind of, I don't know where I would have been. I don't think to be perfectly honest, I don't think I would have survived.
Right, so we'll just expand on that, Greta. What do you mean by that?
Well, they're all fine, and he just propped me off. He just said, look, you either do that or we're going to deport you. And I just put the phone down, but I just felt so isolated.
2 years down the line, you do have a British passport now. So
yeah.
How did that feel at the moment when you became a British citizen?
It was kind of mixed because I had to go to a ceremony. I felt like I shouldn't have even been there.
The frustration's obvious, Greta, and also, more serious than that, you've already told us how mentally damaged you were by this whole process. You've applied for compensation. Is money going to help you get over what you've been through?
I don't think it'll ever. It's like I don't trust anything. I've lived here all that time, and then I had to prove it, but everyone knew that I was here.
Do you feel safe now? Do you feel safe in this country, or are you constantly worried there's going to be another letter through the post?
Well, I think that there's going to be another twist to it. Like, is it going to be like my